would be able to, work on your behalf and ensure that you secure the very best options and outcomes from the various institutions and at no additional cost to you. In fact, I myself have an objective to make sure that you are saving money in this whole expensive exercise because it's already expensive as it is. So, I just wanted to double check with you. Are you buying or planning to purchase and finance a property for the first time?
Yes, yeah. So my husband and I will be buying together.
Okay, excellent. And tell me, are you looking at securing a full home loan, meaning the full purchase price, or are you able to or willing to contribute any deposit of any sort?
Yes, we are looking to do transfer fees and everything will probably be 100,000, and we have total about 500,000 to contribute. So let's say 400,000 deposit, maybe
Okay.
500, depends on when we purchase.
Yes. Okay, awesome, fantastic. And what was the price range that you're looking to purchase in? Where were you, sort of the range that you were in?
Anywhere below about 2 million, we probably would max out at about 1.8.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Well, with the deposit, the good news is that, just in ratio to the purchase price, you are able to contribute at least a 15% deposit. If we look at, let's just say worst case scenario, 2 million. If I look at 2 million just as the maximum price range bracket, you're looking at a 15% deposit of that is 300,000. So that's, or we could look at a 20% deposit. That's 400,000 actually. So so that's kind of where we're leading. And 15 to 20% deposit, that will secure a really good preferential interest rate and help us to negotiate the very best outcome for you both. Currently, the interest rates that we are securing range between 1% and as low as 1.85% below prime, just depending on various factors, such as things like a deposit that would count in your favor. There are things like whether you are degreed professionals and working in your profession. If I may ask, that leads me to call on just confirmation of your employment. Are you both permanently employed?
Yes, yeah, we both are permanently employed. In the line that we studied in.
Oh, fantastic. Okay, that's brilliant. That's really great because that's the kind of application that we can definitely secure superior interest rates with for you both. And make sure that the banks, roll up their sleeves because, you are able to present a low risk, what we call a low risk application or approval with a very healthy deposit, and you're able to cover your attorney fees. Most first time buyers usually require 100 to 108% home loans where they need the cost covered and they don't have a deposit. So those are usually the kind of applications that get the highest interest rates usually from the banks. So I think that's great, Deirdre. I think I have everything that I needed. Just one other thing, are both of you earning fixed salaries per month, or does it vary with any commission or overtime or any additional various allowances you both receive?
We both earn fixed salaries, but we have the standard bonus once or twice a year. Okay. I don't know if we should take that into account.
Okay, no, that's fine. That's all good. That's money you get to spend the way you want to spend it. So, you work hard enough throughout the year, so you do get to at least reward yourselves. So, no, that's perfectly fine, Deirdre. I think I know exactly which documents to call for. Would you like for us to go through a pre-approval assessment, just confirming the absolute maximum you can buy for? Just to have that in writing for yourselves, as you are shopping?
Yeah, I think that would maybe be good for us to just be able to present, the state that we are at financially. Yeah.
I think that is really a good position to be in, to present that and just offer some assurance to, the seller that you are putting an offer in forward for. So it's definitely something that just sets you apart, from people that maybe are less prepared, when putting in an offer. And it just, because property is going up, I'm can just imagine how you're experiencing the competition at the moment, and
Yes.
people are mauling for property in Cape Town at the moment.
Absolutely.
So
Comes on and then the next day it's sold.
it's sold, yes. Even the rental market, it's bizarre.
Yes.
It's bizarre. It's really crazy.
Then-
But I suppose it's healthy for our economy, so I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it as a positive. That we are living in a well sought after city. And even the South Africans that are working abroad, they are even flocking back home or buying up property now, back home. So it's a really, really good sign. Yeah. So, Deirdre, I'm going to ask, can you perhaps send me your email address via WhatsApp that we've been chatting on, and then I can send a list of the documents I need just to do the pre-approval for you and your hubby, and then you can have that, with you when you go out shopping. Just have it as security for, and assurance purposes for your property purchase.
It's perfect. I'll pop it to you now.
Awesome, great. And then as we go along in the process and there's something on the forms that I send you, or anything, any question that pops up, you're welcome to reach out to me on WhatsApp or even by telephone call when it suits you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. And all the best with the viewing. I know it's a full-time job. Sure.